How to buy EaseUS softwares in Spain and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about EaseUS. So let's get into it. Now EaseUS is a software, or it's like a collection of different softwares that you can buy individually or all together. Totally depends on you. The link will be in the description below for the website, along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So what I mean by a collection of different softwares, here you can see at the top we have different categories, right? We got data recovery, partition manager, backup and restore, multimedia, and utilities as well. So all of these different categories have their own individual softwares within them. So here you can see underneath multimedia, we've got Rec Expert. This is for recording videos, audios, webcams, and stuff like that. Screenshot is taking screenshots on PC. Online screen recorder, the name is self-explanatory. Video editor, video downloader, EaseUS voice wave. This is like a voice changer in real time. And then we have AI tools like AI photo editing, AI image generator, EaseMate AI, and the vocal remover as well. So you can go ahead and purchase one of them and you should be good to go. Or you can just simply get the family bundle over here for $200 and get pretty much every software that's available. And if you want individually, and then you can go ahead and select the tool that you want. So for example, if I wanted Rec Expert, right, recording expert, we're going to select for Windows over here. And then here we can go ahead and either download the free version or we can just buy the paid version as well. It totally depends on you. Again, make sure to check the link in the description below for the discounts, and it should be good to go. And it works exactly the same way in Spain or in India or France or wherever you live. So it's available pretty much everywhere. Then you just simply click on buy now, select the type you want, either monthly, yearly, or business. And if you have, as I said before, if you want special discount, you can click over here, redeem now, and apply the codes that you can find in the description below and save money. So it's as simple as that. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you can buy EaseUS softwares in Spain. So thank you for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.